Back.
Easy shit, dog. I do this shit in my sleep. I got thousands of beats, nigga. I do this shit. I've been doing this shit since I was 8, nigga. Cut hair, do tattoos, draw. Nigga, I do all that shit, nigga. I just need the right plug. Just hit me up, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm a beast at this shit, guy. I do this shit. And I'm a West Warren nigga. Look, I keep big bank, that's the dough I be handling. Most of y'all niggas broke cause your hustle ain't managing. What I do for my bread, you niggas can't imagine it. I shoot till my fingers cramp up and get the calluses. Got fish scale, but hell no, it's not salmon. I cop 30 Chevys before I cop a Phantom. 10 Chargers or like 4 or 5 Magnums. Put them all on rims with the 20-inch plasmas. Moet riding deep with them toys in they plastic. $10,000 watches, $5,000 glasses. We all eating good, weaving through the traffic. Step before dishonor so the love gets tragic. Can't short me on the bag. In middle school I learned fractions, algebra, geometry. My profit gets subtracted. Make the work straight, drop then saran wrap it and make it disappear like a nigga never had it. Y'all niggas softer than the tail on the rabbit, softer than the lint in your pocket from the fabric. I'm D, say my name, most of y'all know have it, but most of y'all won't blast it. Nope. I'm trying to get cocoa like them boys speaking Spanish, flip the work like aerobics, some call it acrobatics. Put the profit in the safe, it should be automatic. You should be in the game if money ain't what you're stacking. Moms wasn't married, so you know I'm a bastard. Keep money out the bank cause they ain't taking from my cash. Now I get paid with this other shit, it ain't magic. You keep falling off, that's why y'all still at it. Drop out of street school if you can't get it mastered. If you scared to travel, keep your seatbelt fastened. I'm on the road to riches with my products in the plastic. I'm short for holes in you like a fucking clothes basket, nigga. And I do this shit for the hell of it.